Welcome, Marvin! Bigyan natin sila ng mic. Here you go, guys. Yan. Welcome!
Thank you!
Thanks.
Yan. So, kwentuhan nyo kami kung ano ang i-expect natin at anong ine-expect nyo sa love story ng Chasing in the Wild. Nina Haiga.
Feeling ko gusto ko magkatuluyan sila.
At saka syempre, kasi diba yung character ni Gab, si Sevi, diba na heartbroken sa'yo, Kevin?
Yes.
Oh, so paano siya dito sa Chasing in the Wild?
Ibang Gab yung makikita nyo dito eh. Ibang Sevi and ibang Haya. Alam ko na binibigay nila lagi yung 100% nila. And sobrang excited sila for this project. Yun ang alam ko. At alam ko gagalingan nila. So, excited to watch.
They will be the main stars of the third installment of the University Series. The basketball team captain and the cheerleader are here to win our hearts and each other's. Playing as Sevi Camero and Elise Ledesma. Let's all give a round of applause for Hyacinth Caliado and Gab Lagman.
Hello everyone, talagang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa bigay niyo ng time niyo po para sa amin.
It really means a lot that there are so many people here coming to support us and looking forward to being here today for the show. Thank you all. Maraming salamat.
So how was it preparing for your characters and for the series in general?
Yeah, it's been good. We've done a lot of workshop for the past few months and we've been waiting for this for a long time and sobrang na-enjoy namin yung ginawa namin, relationship works, and we also did a music video together. So yeah, we're just enjoying each other now.
It's been good. It's also been such a journey having to really learn a lot preparing for this show and especially learning cheerleading. Because I've never done it before. I didn't do a lot of sports then growing up, but it was really fun. It really helped me learn a lot about myself and all my capabilities. And it's been good also working with Gab and we're like, you know, building. I don't want to say too much. You guys will ask questions later naman. So.
So you've never, hindi ka ba nag-cheerleading? Kasi they flipped you in the air.
Wow.
You somersaulted, diba?
First time.
Wow! Very athletic. Amazing.
She looks like a pro already.
Exactly.
Oh, you wouldn't be able to down the first time. Talagang
Yeah.
pinagtuunan nila ng pansin at puspusan ang ginawa nilang ensayo para dyan. Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1! First time natin mag-poster reveal, Boaz. So I can sense na this series is getting bigger and bigger. Malay mo, next venue natin, Araneta Coliseum.
Pwede! Napaka-makasaysayan nito, ladies and gentlemen. Gaya nga na nabanggit ni Miss Phoebe, and I'm so glad na naging parte kayo yan. Our first official poster reveal for Chasing in the Wild. Now that the Univercada is complete, we may now proceed to the question and answer proper.
Actually, matindi po yung pressure nung una pa lang. Kasi ako mismo, pinanood ko yung first two books. Pati yung books na basa ko. So, even the adaptation mismo, kasi sobrang ganda ng book na sinulat ni Goy. So, yun yung pressure doon to translate it to a series. It's very challenging. Pero, it's yung pressure naman niya good pressure. Hindi naman siya parang intimidating na parang nakaka-paralyze or anything like that. It's more of, we just try to have fun. Lagi kong sinasabi kila Gab and Haya na iba tong book natin, where parang meron tayong, hindi natin pwede i-compare yung book natin dun sa first 2 books kasi magkakaiba talaga sila. At lahat naman sila maganda. So, ayun, may pressure pero we enjoy the pressure, we welcome it, and we embrace the pressure.
Okay, maraming salamat.
Why? Yeah.
Every book naman po, there's always this pressure kasi every book is different from each other. So, since successful in Reina España and Safe Skies Archer, we have to maintain that yung audience na yung mga nanood ng first 2 books. And also because this is such a new world for us kasi more on nasa sports field, wala naman ganito sa Reina España and Safe Skies Archer. So, yung pressure for me is coming from, you know, maintaining the essence of the story kasi that's what I'm here for. That's why I'm part of the creative so that make sure na yung essence ng story and the characters will stay true to their characters talaga. So, for now, I mean, nakikita ko naman na they're really staying true to the character and also nakabanday din naman kami sa lahat ng script. So, siguro it's how the audience will react na lang talaga kapag lumabas na. But since the cast, they're all working hard, I'm sure this will be a success too. Yeah.
How about Gab and Haya?
I have to take a breath every time. Pressure. I did feel a lot of pressure. It was like up and down. Every now and then I wouldn't feel it, but then I would. I do know that a lot of the pressure comes from because I know that we hold a lot of responsibility to pay respect to the stories and to a lot of different aspects of the story. And even like with the cheerleading, like I talked about this a lot, that I really wanted to pay respect to that. And sometimes it would make me anxious, but then at the same time I'm grateful for it because it shows that we care. And we care about making this project good and the show good. So, yes.
Sobrang, like what Haya said, sobrang pressure po yung sa amin to kasi this is the biggest project that we're doing, and pressure is good because it means na mahalaga yung project po sa amin, and we just wanna do our best kahit masustain lang namin yung first and second book as long as magustuhan ng fans at ma-appreciate po yung binigay namin na work. Okay na po sa amin.
Actually, ito yung first ko na kumbaga romantic comedy talaga. Pero as I've said kanina, ito nga yung series na hindi lang magpapakilig, magpapaiyak din siya, magalaman na emosyon, which I have done previously sa mga projects ko. Ayun, yung mga previous projects ko kasi it's more very family-centered. Pero with this kasi, andun yung love angle, andun yung romance, pero matindi yung core nung book na to kasi naka-angkla siya sa family nung dalawang main character. So, ayun, so madali siya for me. Mahirap lang kasi mabigat. Mas iba yung topic, iba yung kumbaga yung pinagdaanan ng characters dito kasi sobrang bigat ng mga pagdadaanan nila. Pagdadaanan pa lang kasi hindi pa namin nakunan. So, yun. Ayun, yun yung challenge. Pero, ayun, it's something new. Kaya na-excited akong gawin siya coming from my previous project.
Thank you, Trey. Miss Guay naman. How are you going to compare your feeling yung sa nilaunch yung Reina España, Safe Skies, kada series, anong feeling ang nakakuha mo?
It's the same feeling all over again, the pressure that I mentioned earlier. And also excitement, syempre. Kasi I will have to work again with new mga bida, and we will have to curate their character again. So for me, very, very exciting. Kasi I'm always excited to see kung paano magta-translate yung book into something na mapapanood mo on screen. So I'm really excited to see kapag pinapanood ko sila, I would be so happy na parang, ganito pala kapag inact na siya, ganito pala yung feeling. So I'm really, really excited. Pero the pressure comes with it din. Kasi you know, we will have different reactions from this, but you know, as long as we are all working hard, we know that we are working hard for this, I'm sure this will all be worth it.
And bakit daw cheese?
Pwede ba mag-mention ng universe? Kasi po, it was originally yung Yellow and Green School. So, tigers and archer. So, chasing archer and wild tiger. So,
gets na. Okay. Thank you. Ibig bang sabihin nito ay hindi na kayo mag-Viva Max?
For now naman po, me and the management talked about this na we should focus on university series. Pero of course, we're not closing the door to do movies like that. Pero as of now, we want to focus on being Sevi and him for being RD.
Hindi ka walang sexy dito, no? Dahil husang?
Yes. Wholesome naman po.
Okay. Wilbert. Si Wilbert ang may pinakamarami kasing sexy.
Saan ko? Actually, sa matagal na po ito, mga sobrang magto 2 years na po ata na 1 year pala na management po mismo yung nag-decide for me na to stop na the Viva Max and then mag-focus na sa wholesome. Yun lang.
Ano na, relief ba ito para sa'yo? Relief ba ito para sa'yo?
Medyo. Kasi merong bigat, hindi po kasi talaga madali to do things like sex scenes and lalo parang wholesome naman ako sa totoong buhay. Medyo, hindi po siya madali talaga. Nakakapagod po siya sa katawan, sa utak. So, dito po sa mga wholesome na po na project. So, medyo mas magaan na po siguro in terms sa work na ginagawa. Ayun.
Thank you. Pabonus naman peeps kay Gab. Kasi parang laki ng braso mo, Gab, dyan. Too good to be true. Pwede mo pakita in person kung talagang braso mo. Yes naman. Sa totoo lang, parang laki-laki. Hindi ba enhance yan?
Kakatapos ko po lang bumag-gym na actually.
Okay. So hindi ano yan. Oh. Take it off. Take it off. Pakita mo, Gab, para sa fans.
Sa akin na lang po, sa movie na lang, para sa show na lang po, para naiabangan na rin kasi.
Sus!
okay. Good answer, Gab. Okay po, maraming salamat, Sir Ray. Okay.
Broke daw, sabi ng mga press, ayaw pumayag. Braso lang ako. Papakiplex. Malaki nga. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
Balot na balot nga ako ngayon.
Market ko naman daw, sabi ng mga fans. Pang-fans lang.
Wala ako sa kondisyon.
Okay, thank you so much, Marco. I was very happy with how the Rain and Spanish Skies Archer turned out. So I'm really looking forward pa for Chasing the Wild. But I was there during the look test. So, pinili talaga namin itong si Haya at si Gab kasi I really see them as Sunny and Elise. From how they, like, the basketball, si Gab in real life, and then si Haya, the way she talks, really parang in character. So, I can really see them as their characters, especially kahit naman in the first place, kahit hindi mo masyadong mag-feel yan kapag look test, kapag nakita mo na talaga yung result, yung episode, you will feel, especially yung for the first book, yung breakup scene ni Calix and Luna, yun talaga yung feel ko. And then for the second book, di ba parang bakit laging breakup scene? Kapag breakup scene sa couple, nakikita talaga na sobrang in character nila. So really, really excited for their 5th anniversary. So siguro Doon ko masasabi talaga na they really fit the role and they bagay na bagay talaga sa kanila yung bagay na bagay talaga sa kanila yung role na binigay para sa akin.
Naninibago ko kasi parang back to the past kasi mga kasama ko lang mga bagets. Although I'm having fun, hindi ko lang masakyan ngayon yung mga trips nila. Like music, like yung pananalita nila, like yung gimmick nila. Although I'm having fun, especially dun sa role ko kasi ako yung bodyguard ni Elise.
Pero marespeto naman ng mga to.
Sobrang may respeto sila sa akin. Wag lang kayong magmamano, kiss lang ng kiss.
May relasyon sa inyo si Heaven at si Marco. So the rest of the love teams, wala bang level up sa inyong sitwasyon? Wala ba kayong gagawin para maging totohanan na rin ang relasyon niyo tulad ni Heaven at ni Marco? Siguro si muna, si Gab, tsaka si Hyacinth.
For me, I'm really happy of what we and Haya have because we've been closer for the past few months because we've been doing workshops, relationship works, and especially the music video. And I'm just happy to be there with her, like seeing her grow as an actress. And I think, syempre Marvin na yan, ayaw po namin mag-compare and we just want to grow as a love team na may each identity.
Yes, Hyacinth.
Same thing. I don't really want to think about that. I don't right now. I mean, so far we're just really focusing sa project natin, and of course our relationship and the foundation of our relationship din. Pero so far, you know, I feel very
Parang kinig na kinig ka, Hyacinth ka.
All I can say is I'm very grateful that Gab is and we're a team together, and I feel very safe with him. I'm very grateful for that.
Thank you. Krisha, kayo, kumusta na ni Jerome?
Okay lang po, payapa ang aming mga puso. Uy, payapa! Kalma lang naman kami. Siyempre, yun ang masasabi ko po, kasi po yung kausap ko.
Ito, Hay. Nasaan siya ngayon?
Kasi kailangan po yung mag-swimming papunta dito. So, sabi lang yung pinashout ko.
Hindi mo ba siya dadamayan? Tutulungan sa
Nag-message naman po ako na sana lang mag-isip, sana may safe sa lalo. Safe naman. Mukha naman.
Ayun, thank you sa mga couples and congratulations. Pakisagot din.
Si Shakira pala.
Oo, tsaka si Jairus. Or baka kayo na.
Kami din matagal, kami pinakamatagal. Sa dulo pa po kasi istorya namin ni Jairus. And for now, we've been really enjoying being with the whole Univergada. And ewan ko, saya naman katrabaho. And let's go!
Hindi, syempre, like what Nicole said, malayo pa talaga yung book namin. So as of the moment, we enjoy each other's company talaga bilang co-workers kasi actually, the next book, mas nag-upgrade din yung connection namin in terms of working with each other. Mas naiintindihan namin sa isa kung ano dapat gawin sa promos and sa show itself. So, yeah, getting better every year, so we just enjoy each other's company, di ba? So, yeah.
So, pasasagutin ko pa si Wilbert at si Bea kung kumusta na sa relasyon nyo.
Kumusta bang relasyon namin?
Wala namang po. Ngayon nga lang kami magkakatrabaho nito. Well, sa Nocturno. But, ako po para sa akin, pa sa isang love team naman,
hindi naman necessary na kailangan maging kayo talaga in real life. What's important is maayos kayong nagtatrabaho, maayos yung working relationship din ninyo because after all, we all have lives outside our work. And I'm really grateful because Wilbert is, I feel like Wilbert is such a very reliable love team naman na katrabaho.
Thank you for your wonderful words. Matagal po kasi yung book namin, so friends naman kami.
Parang kinikilig ka, magsasalita si Bea.
Sabi niya responsible daw ako eh. Reliable pala. Nakatrabaho na po kasi kami sa Nocturno, so alam na po namin yung working relationship namin, paano kami, nagka-eksena na kami sa... Ba't ka mo nag-aasa? Nagkaka-eksena na po kami sa mismo, so... Ayun po. Yun lang.
Ayun, thank you guys.
Na-require niyo ba silang lahat na basahin yung libro at in-instruct mo ba sila to be 100% true to the characters? At meron din ba kayong deviation from the story or characterization para mas maging cinematic? Sorry, related kasi yung mga questions.
I think nabasa naman na nila even before pa kasi third book na to. So, and ano kasi siya, diba? Interconnected lahat ng mundo. So, alam ko nabasa na nila lahat.
Instruction, maging 100%.
I think in terms of character, we wanna be as loyal as possible dun sa sinulat ni Guay. Kasi tested na yung book ni Guay. Kumbaga, tsaka, as I've said, kami mismo, we fell in love with the characters nung sinulat siya. So, it's more of, I think, owning the character in a different way. Parang pag enact nila, may mga small touches of their personality. Pero, we try to be as loyal as possible.
Kung ano mababasa mo, yun ang makikita mo.
Yes.
Thank you.
Kasi parang na-pressure ako tanso.
Hindi ba kaya habang kinukunan ng mga eksena nila?
Actually, ano pa lang po, look test pa lang. Feeling, parang matagal na nila magkakilala. Yung sinasabi nilang months pa lang. Pero nung first time ko sila ma-meet, parang tagal na nila magkakilala. So, ayun, tinan niyo sulat. Kaya kung nga rin din nila tayo naririnig. Ayun, meron na agad. Nung hindi pa nga kami nagbabasag po ng script, look test pa lang, photoshoot, meron na agad eh. I think yun yung natural, yun yung mahirap hanapin sa isang love team. And I think meron sila na.
Okay, maraming salamat.
Okay,
before ay nasabi mo na lahat ng love team, magkakaroon ng moment nila para. So, itatanong ko kung ilang books pa ang
6 books po siya in total. So, nasa book 3 na po tayo right now.
Okay, thank you. Tapos mga tampuhan, yung mga isa lang overtake daw. Kapag kasi eto po din lang, kung nagkakaroon daw ng tampuhan yung mga love team, sino yung nauunang manuyo o mag-sorry? Sa mga love team.
Tampuhan ng love, sino unang manunuyo?
Ay, di ba po kami nagkaroon ng tampuhan ni Haya? Pero of course, yung lalaki po siyempre kailangan po ng manuya para sa akin.
So I guess manuyo is saying sorry. Yeah. I agree with you.
Nagkatampuan na ba?
Yes. Si Krisha and Jerome, meron na ba? Wala pa?
Jerome? Sa amin dalawa naman po kasi, since ako, halimbawa, automatic naman sa akin pag na-feel ko na ako yung unang nagkamali, I will say sorry. Kapag siya nagkamali, I will say sorry. So, balikan lang kami.
Lahat magtrabaho dito. So as much as possible, we set emotions aside. And I don't think things get too personal kasi we're working naman talaga as per our characters. So walang tampuhan. And if ever man, worst comes to worst scenario, mangyari man yun, syempre, the guy will always be the first one para humingi ng sorry if ever may maling tampuhan, diba? But at the end of the day, we're professionals, we're just working, and yeah, we have good connections naman per love teams. So, ikaw, Wilbur.
Wala man lang pong, di ba, wala man lang pong tampuhan sa amin. Pero if ever meron, siyempre ako yung magsusorry. Kahit mali mo. Wala lang. Talaga naman talaga paglalaki.
So, gaano ka-importante sa iyo yung project na to? And bakit medyo emotional ka?
Well, actually, to be honest, medyo I have support. I think from the weather. But also, now that you bring it up, it has been overwhelmingly surreal to see everything. I feel, seeing that made me feel very proud of myself. And of course, with Gab and everyone, because we worked so hard for this. And just to see everything come together, even just little things like this, like the poster, it really warms my heart. Like it means a lot.
Okay, thank you so much.
Para sa cast, hindi pa kayo nahirapan kasi pabago-bago yung director ninyo. And how was working with director?
Okay, so to all the cast po, tama? Okay, so start tayo from this end all the way to this end. Aubrey?
Hello po. Ako naman po, every time nga po, may bagong director ko na-cover. Siyempre, I'm nervous. Pero really excited naman po kasi panibagong challenge na naman po sa akin. Kasi gusto ko rin po na dito sa industry na makapag-trabaho po ako with other directors. Pero kay director, hindi pa po ako nakapag-shooting eh. So, hina-ask ko pa lang po si Nahaya, how was it working with Derek? And yun nga, si Derek daw po, he's very kind and very chill. So, looking forward to work with Derek.
Sa akin naman po, hindi naman po mahirap makipag-work sa iba't ibang directors. Actually, parang, ano rin siya, parang marami ako natutunan since they have different flavors sa directing. And since bagong actress din po ako, it's what I'm looking for. I'm really eager to learn from different directors. And I'm really excited to work with Director kasi for sure another flavor na naman to. And we'll see what I have to learn more from Director.
The cast and I, we were like talking about it, and no. And it was funny because we were like saying how it feels this like a class, like a batch, right? And every time parang may ibang professor in a way. And there's like, the professor is the director. You get it? Yeah, okay. And yeah, you enjoy it? Yeah, so anyways, it's funny because, I don't know, me, I like to find where the breaking point of the director is. You know, I'm always like waiting where they're gonna break down. Everyone says they're chill until there's gonna be like a stressful time. Not because I'm the fault, I just wanna like see it. You know, I just wanna like be there to see it. I don't know, I'm just, I don't know, interested.
Yeah, sasabihin ko dapat yung sinabi ni Marco. Hindi pa kami nakakapag-shoot kay Direk, pero excited na rin ako, of course, kasi syempre iba-iba din naman talaga yung teaching techniques nila. Pero ang pinakamaganda doon is natututunan namin paano mag-adapt to different directors. Paano yung atake. Syempre iba din yung, what do you call this? Yung tingin ng director per character. And so, yeah, I'm just so excited to work with Direk and to bond with Direk. And so, yeah.
Yeah, for me, di naman po kami nahihirapan. Actually, for me, I feel like I'm grateful na iba-iba yung director kasi they all work in Cinemalaya and they're all award-winning. So, for me as an actor, I'm a sponge. I like learning a lot from directors, especially with Direk Dog. He's so chill and he knows what he wants. So, sa set, parang super light, masaya, and I'm just grateful to work with him.
Then, same answer, similar to Gab and kay Krisha. As a new actress, For me, it's been exciting because I've been able to learn more with every director that I happen to work with. And I think it's also good and exciting because with every project sa university, every show, every book sa university series, each director brings something new, brings something different. So it's really something to look forward to. And also, like, I'm really grateful kay Derek kasi he's been so supportive with me, and same with Gab. He really knows what he wants. So like, I trust him, and I'm very thankful that we've established a safe space within us then, no matter what happens, going on set, doing anything. So I appreciate you, Derek. Yeah.
Para sa akin po, it's always refreshing to work with other people outside of your comfort zone. And bukod sa it's refreshing, it's nice to explore, but also it's such an honor to work with these directors na talagang kilala at napakahuhusay. At lahat naman, kada director na makatrabaho ko namin, may mga natututunan kami. And I think it's also nice for the viewers because they also see different flavors, different atake kada libro, kada season, kada title. So I think it's also nice, hindi lang para sa amin, but for everyone also.
Kakapasok ko pa lang po sa series. Pero excited po ako. Kasi nakatrabaho ko na po si Delek sa first day, and mabilis naman po, and maganda. Then feel ko mas okay yung parang, mas para sa akin na iba-iba yung director, para hindi ko parang makukumpara yung work mo before sa next mong work. Parang kasi iba-iba yung book, di ba? Iba-iba yung flavor nga na nadadala. Yun lang.
Ang galit. For me, kasi I guess we're on our third book, and it's working with the first two directors was great. And I actually haven't met Director. Hello po. Kasi wala ako nung nakita. Ngayon lang kami nag-meet. But I've heard amazing things from Gab and Haya, and I'm very, very excited to work. And yun nga po, as everybody said, then marami kaming natututunan, and that's something we're all excited about. And ayun, eventually nagiging close din naman. Sana maging close din namin si Director, and maging trauma kami lahat. Wow, ayun, yun na naman.
Actually, tama naman lahat ng sinabi nila. Ako personally, yun yung lagi ko nilalook forward is yung bagong director na makakatrabaho. Sa dami ng mga director na nakatrabaho, sobrang dami ko rin natutunan. So, working with new directors pa rin is sobrang, parang privilege sa amin para mas matuto bilang artista. And si Director, nakatrabaho ko na siya 2 years ago. And maganda naman naging bonding namin, and maganda rin naman yung naging outcome ng work namin. So, yeah, it's always a good thing na makatrabaho ka. Kasi sabi nga nila, bagong flavor na, di ba? Ano ang flavor? Tinatanong ko sila kanila. Pero bagong flavor, bagong experience, bagong learning para sa bawat isa. No, it's a collaboration thing, no, na director, matutunan ka sa director, yung director ay matutunan din sa'yo in return. So, it's a good thing, di ba? Na parehas kayo may natutunan. So, yeah.
For me po, nung first taping ko po with, first work ko po with Director, medyo na-feel ko po na chill lang po siya. And ayun, sana po direct magkaroon pa po tayo ng maraming interaction. Kasi nung first day parang medyo busy. So yeah, nasabi naman din na po nila lahat about sa pag-work with other directors. So ganun din po yung akin. Thank you po.
Hi, Direk. It's been only 2 days. Thank you for being approachable. Thank you for being nice. But I guess above all, thank you for respecting the Eddie Garcia law.
is your real life persona or character with your character here. With your characters here as the team captain of the Growling Tigers and Yuhaya as the spoiled cheerleader of LaSalle. And on the other hand, I'm sure there are differences as well dun sa characters nyo, real life and dito. What preparations did you have to go through to bridge the gap?
That's a very good question. It's honestly something that I feel that I still need to think about to be able to express fully to you. But so far, all I can say, coming to the top of my head, we have a lot of similarities and a lot of differences as well. Elise has always been, she's always felt like just that side of me, and the more strong side of me. And because of that, I'm also grateful then because she taught me how to be stronger and to lessen that people-pleasing side of me then. She's taught me to be more brave and to show that side of myself more. Other similarities, we both did grow up in a more privileged life compared to others, especially as like an only child, I get more privileges, right? I don't know, I would say that, but the difference is, one of them would be the sporty stuff. I never did cheer. I didn't do too many sports growing up. I would try them out, but I was never consistent with it. But because of Elise, then I'm grateful because she showed me my capabilities. I mean, I didn't know that I could do a cartwheel or like do a front roll in the air. So I'm so grateful to this role, and she's taught me so much, and she showed me so much about myself then. So yes.
For me, kay Selvi, marami kaming similarities. I'm so grateful na yun yung role ko. We're both panganay, very family-oriented, and we love our friends. Lagi kami nandun sa mga kaibigan namin. And mapang-asar ako, pero siguro yung different, pagka-different namin siya, parang yung pagka-ano siya, parang ako konyo siya, medyo kali yung pang-asar niya. So, what I did was, I went to like mga streets, yung mga palengke. I was trying to observe like the people, how they and also, pagkasama ko yung mga kaibigan ko, lalo na si Jai, sabi ko, bro, huwag ka na mag-English na akong pag-uusap mo. Mahilig kasi mag-English si Jai kasi. So, lagi kami magkasama niyan. So, sabi ko, bro, tulungan mo ako mag-ano. Para gusto ko kasi maging natural yung the way he talks. So, yun, and we both love basketball so much, and I'm really grateful na may basketball scenes rin kami, and super excited to shoot that.
Can I add on? I remembered something. I don't know, it's just small, but I think it's really cute. Elise is a lot more mataray, right? She's more into kikay things and like bags and perfume. I'm as Haya. I'm a very more earthy girl and that spiritual type of person. So that was one challenge for me, but at the same time, it wasn't too much of a challenge because I just had to think about channeling that inner girly part of myself, because I still had, like growing up as a kid, I was very much into those things before I started becoming really into earthy things more. And also what I love about Elise is how loving she is and loyal she is then with her family and with her friends. So there you go.
Thank you so much. We are nearing the end, ladies and gentlemen. Ikaw muna, Ida. What do you prefer? Ikaw hinahabol o ikaw ang nanghahabol? Okay.
Ako po, gusto ko po ako po yung hinahabol.
Bakit may kilig ko? Para pong may
nakaalala ka. Ay, wala po. Ano lang po yun. Kanyari po, chini-chase po ako ni Teo, gano'n po. Ay! Hindi po, ayun po talaga gusto ko po. Kasi po parang, gano'n po talaga lang kung babae na, ang pangit kung babae yung magkakabol, diba? So, mas okay yun.
Hindi yung daw.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Moving on, no need for explanation. Just answer. Chasing, ano yun? To be chased or the one chasing? Okay.
Wala explanation?
No, no explanation.
Hindi ako na lang yung mahabol.
Okay.
Pero gusto ko ako naman yung hinahabol.
Ako po, kung may nila ko yung abot niya habulin. Yung abot naman. Hindi, ano po, chini-chase. Yeah.
Gusto ko yung ako yung naghahabol.
Mas maganda kung walang habulan na nangyayari, di ba? Pero ako, gusto ko syempre yung, ikaw yung pinupursue. Huwag chase, pinupursue.
Direct. Kasama si Direct. Kasama natin si Direct.
Tinatamad akong tumakbo yun, so gusto ko magpa-chase.
Ako din yung chase.
Chase din po.
For me, being as a guy, gusto ko na na-challenge ko, so nag-chase siguro.
Artista mo siya.
Pinag-uusapan namin ni Chris, parang gusto naman namin, parang bakit kayo magpapachase? Chase natin. Panaman siya, tsaka si Luna.
Wilbert, anong sabi mo? Wolf? Ako chase. Roar.
Ako to be chased. Nakasim din to be chased.
Okay, thank you so much.
Heaven. Kasi natutuwa ako sa inyo. Like, you were the very first one na nilaunch sa love team dun sa Reina España. And here you are, you're still here. The second, I think the second book, Ligway, si Jerome naman at saka si Grisha, right? And this is the third book, si Gab naman at saka si Haya. Now, being parang, since ang highlight ngayon, nakafocus kay Gab at saka kay Haya, anong pakiramdam nyo? Considering na of all the love teams right now that Viva has, kayo ang pinakamainit.
I don't know, Tita Aster, to be honest, I guess I'm not putting, not notice or care to it. It's more of, it feels like, alam naman namin lahat na everyone was gonna have their book. So like, you know, I'm actually happy na nauna kami kasi parang yung lahat ng bigat. Parang exam lang sa school. Kami nauna tapos na. So like, you know, the pressure was onto Christian Jerome, and then now it's onto Gabs and Hyacinth. So like, honestly, Heaven and I feel like we're just enjoying the whole thing now. It's less stressful because we have less lines to take care of on set, and we have our own thing going. Like, this feels like a recap. Parang every time, parang nakakatuwa lang na makita na dumadagdag yung cast, na dumadagdag yung lahat ng fans sa iba't ibang love team. Parang nag-grow lahat. And yung reporters natin sobrang dumadami lalo. Yeah, you know, super chill lang. Walang, ano lang. Kakatuwa nga eh. Ang dami ko ng banner nakikita kay Hyacinth. It's cute.
Heaven?
Kasi parang ito po naging pamilya na eh. Alam niyo yun. So every time na nakikita kami, usually may labas after or get together after. Kung hindi man after the work, minsan kung sino lang libre. And so, parang kami naman, ako as being like dun sa first book, parang pag may mga questions sila Haya or noon si Krisha, parang nandyan kami to give advice. And so parang kaming naging mother and father, like sinasabi namin din, pag sa love team, like partners yan, kayong dalawa ang dapat laging okay, kumbaga. Kasi kailangan nyo ang isa't isa. Laging maging magkaibigan or magkaibigan. So, ayun, I'm just happy. And regarding kung sa mainit man or hindi naman, lagi ako nagugulat every time na kami may one time, we went out and kilala kami as Calix and Luna. And hanggang ngayon, kahit 2 years na ba? Has it been 2 years? 2 years. 2 years has passed and we're known as Calix and Luna and nakakataba ng puso all the time. Ewan ko, minsan pag naririnig ko yun, mas lalo ko na-in-love kay Mano.
Aster, you know, I think the best part of the whole thing is going to press cons and hearing what we used to say. Hyacinth was like, you know, how is it working with each other? And Hyacinth was like, you know, it's a safe space. And both of us were like, Yeah.
Sige, let me hear naman from Haya and of course Gab. Kasi this time, si Marco at saka si Heaven are playing support to you.
Honestly, Tita, we're just so grateful na yun nga sabi ni Heaven that we're like a family. And yeah, we have a lot of questions. Siyempre, bago po kami love team and I always ask them for advice and they gave me even kay Chris Rome. And I'm happy na they're happy for us. Like, they're so supportive and especially, di lang sila, pero lahat po ng cast. Like, syempre, each book, like, iba't ibang storya kami ngayon na po. So, they're like saying they're so excited for us, and gano'n. And syempre, next, si Aubrey na, di ba? So, it's just like surreal and just moment na kami na po yung mag-lead sa season 3 and we're very grateful, of course, kay God, sa Viva, and kay Guay na they trusted us to do this book. And hopefully, magustuhan po ng mga fans ang gagawin po namin.
Thank you. And of course, let me hear also from Haya.
Same thing. Gab said everything. I don't really put notice to anything like that. All I can say then is that we're very supportive with each other. You're like a family, and that's all that we think about, and that's all that we focus on. Thank you.
Thank you. Lastly, Direk, dito sa mga natitirang love teams or part of this cast, sino sa palagay nyo ang next in line para i-launch sa love team? Is it going to be Wilbert and Bea or Jairus and Aubrey or else? Direk, sino ang susunod?
Okay, let's pass the mic to Direk. Okay.
Si Aubrey po, tsaka hindi pa namin alam sino yung... Ay, si Aubrey, si Basco.
Sorry. Nag-crossover ako kay palang tawanan eh. Oh, sorry. Dami nyo kasi eh. Sorry, Jairus ah. Okay.
So, ayun po. Wala pa pong nire-reveal, so antay natin kung sino yung giging team.
Thank you so much and congratulations to everyone.
That is so true. Thank you so much. That concludes our media conference for this afternoon. Maraming salamat to our friends from the press and to our actors, director, and writer for openly on Viva One.
Totoo yan, really no truer words have been said. Catch every Chasing in the Wild episode by subscribing to Viva One for only 99 pesos a month and 949 pesos a year. Also, please be reminded that after today, makikita nyo pa rin ang ating Univercada sa kanilang provincial tours and mall tours. Kaya always check Viva One's social media accounts for more announcements. This has been Boaz Mariano.
And Phoebe Walker.
Thank you so much. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat. Remember, always choose love, but never chase for it. Thank you guys.